Hi, this is Eric with ForgeCon Conclusions. Today we're going to be doing a ring repair. This is our ring. So it's got a couple things going on with it. We have aquamarine and some diamonds. The prongs are worn on this, and the biggest thing that's going on with this is this ring shank right here. So it's split. So what we're going to be doing is doing a half shank. This ring is hollow, so we have to take that into account. So we have our stock here, and this is what we're going to be doing. We're going to be cutting the ring, attaching this onto here, and then forming it over, making it the right size. We are going to be doing removing the stone in order to retip the top of the ring. Next step, we're going to be cutting the ring and attaching this metal. We've got our ring, the bottom half removed. So this is what we have from it originally. And we're going to be replacing it with this stock here. It's 2 by 1.5 millimeters. And we're going to start by attaching this to here, and then we're going to bend it so that way everything fits up. We've got our ring half shanked. Seeing that we're going to continue doing the torch work, so we're going to retip these prongs now. They're very sharp, and one of them's definitely at risk of breaking, and then the stone potentially could come out. So we're going to retip these two, and we're going to add a little bit more metal to the top of the main stone also. Our ring's been retipped and half shanked, so now we're going to be making sure that it's the right size and then start cleaning everything up. Right now, we're cleaning up the prongs that we retipped. So I'm just going to beat over the outside ones a little bit, clean them up. And then the ones on top, we're going to be cutting a little bit and doing some sanding. We've got our ring. It's been half shanked, retipped, and we started the cleanup process. So the next step is we're going to set the stone in, and then we're going to finish up all the polishing. We have our ring. It has the stone set back into it. We're going to clean up the rest of the ring now by polishing We've completed our ring, half-shanked it, did some retipping work, and it's done. Thanks for joining us today as we repaired this ring. This is Eric with Forge Gone Conclusions. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, and share.